Hi everyone, it's Stephen Scott with the Knowles Woolsey team. Today guys, on this beautiful -20 November day here, we're in Barrie's mature East End, checking out 414 Blake Street East.
Guys, this building is an absolute hidden gem. On top of that, it's been completely revamped and updated. We've got new elevators, new boiler systems, all the common areas of the building have been updated, and we got a gorgeous 3-bedroom suite for you today.
Let's get in and check it out.
If you're that downsizer looking for a condo, this place is absolute perfection. We got 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, just shy of 1,000 square feet. We're in the corner of the building here, so we're surrounded by windows. You get a great cross breeze, which is excellent. One of my favorite features, we got in-suite laundry here.
Folks, the features and functionality of the suite are exceptional. It's a split 3-bedroom plan. The master bedroom is large with full walk-in closet. We've got sunny south exposure. The suite is impeccably maintained. Check it out.
In addition to that great layout inside, we got an exceptional open balcony here, all overlooking the gorgeous East End Barrie canopy that we all know and love. If you're getting ready for maintenance-free living, there's no better option than 414 Blake.
Yeah, and even better than that, Scotty, we got indoor parking inside to keep your car protected. But enough about that. If you want to get rid of your snow brush and get rid of your shovel, jump the bird, head down to Fort Myers for a week, just turn that deadbolt and you're ready to roll.
Sounds nice and warm and cozy to me. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.